airport lounge, and this is my first time experience in the lounge. I have got some food here. Here's the food that I got for myself. So here it's a masala dosa, some pasta salad, some fruits, a cupcake to try, egg for the protein, and some coffee so that I can wake up. I already had some chai at home. I'm done with my breakfast. क्या टाइम हो रहा है अभी? तो it's 8:45 a.m. right now. I just had my first experience of eating in an airport lounge, which is an experience in itself, because you are literally paying 2 rupees and you can have anything and everything that is available here. You have liquor, you have pasta, you have breads, you have paratha and sabzi. यहाँ पे आपको omelette, boiled eggs, coffee, chai, breads, muffins. I'll just show you. This is the muffin. This is the muffin that I got. I feel it's a really nice experience. Like as a first timer, जब आप कुछ experience करते हो, जब आप कुछ try करते हो, आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And I really wanted to record this for myself. That in future, whenever I look back, it's been a journey. When I started working after college, March 2025, 8:45 p.m., where I'm having breakfast in an airport lounge. Listen, in 7 years I have come here. I used my credit card to eat in an airport lounge and have anything. I know कुछ लोगों के लिए शायद ये 7 साल भी बहुत ज़्यादा होंगे. For me, I think these small steps are an achievement. It's almost about to become a year that I have started creating content, and I really like sharing these experiences with everyone, because आप लोगों से पता चलता है कि हाँ मेरा experience कैसा रहा, and then you can also experience this through my eyes that thinks like you, right? Because see, I can't express, but it's very nice feeling. अब ऐसा भी लग रहा था पता नहीं कोई क्या कहेगा, but yeah, it was all fine. I came here like sitting in a quiet place so that I can talk to you guys and let you know कि मेरा experience कैसा रहा. So I'm sitting here at one corner and यहाँ से पूरा lounge ऐसा दिखता है कुछ. And this is the wall which has been pretty nicely decorated. The sofas are also really comfortable to sit. This is not the most comfortable one. वहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा होगा वो sofa ज़्यादा better है, but I got this one. So yeah, it's fine. That's not a problem. Okay, so let me tell you how you can get access to these lounges. You need to have credit card or debit card which offers lounge access to airports. There are a few credit cards जो आपको quarterly देते हैं. Like in every quarter you can use your credit card once or twice. Like it depends. Some credit card gives in a year that you can access lounge as many times as you want, and you just have to you'll have to show your credit card and they'll swipe it. It will only deduct 2 rupees, so आपको 2 रुपये में आपको पूरा lounge का access मिल जाएगा, and you can have anything and everything. And the service is available for 2 hours. For 2 hours you can sit, relax, have water, coffee, food, anything that you want, and they'll not ask you anything. They'll also take away your plates and everything. The credit cards are also it varies. ये एनक्लैम लाउंज है, तो यहाँ पे ICICI का एक क्रेडिट कार्ड था जो यहाँ पे एक्सेसिबल हुआ. SBI का क्रेडिट कार्ड था, वो सिंपली सेव कार्ड था, ठीक है, तो वो एक्सेसिबल मतलब वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ICICI का क्रेडिट कार्ड उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट करा बिकॉज दैट वाज अ रेगुलर क्रेडिट कार्ड. So you will have to just check which credit card they accept, and accordingly you can utilize your credit card. And yeah, you can also use your debit card if your bank offers lounge access on debit card, so you can do that as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments if you have any additional question. By the way, I did not tell you at the beginning. By the way, I am in the Delhi ka airport lounge, which is on the first floor. So when you enter, right, आपका security check-in वगैरह हो जाए, you have to enter, and Marks and Spencer के ऊपर वाले floor में है, तो you just have to come on the first floor, and here you will see the Enclam Lounge which you can access using your credit card or debit card. And yeah, you can then enjoy, have good time, relax. If you come early, आराम से आके यहाँ बैठ के खा पी के जा सकते हो. 9 बज गए हैं, so I think I should be going now, otherwise boarding miss now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe. And अगर कोई और questions है, कुछ और जानना है तो मुझे बता देना. I'll definitely help you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.